Here we will discuss National Manufacturing Mission. National Manufacturing Mission was presented by the Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman in the Union Budget. This mission is actually set to revolutionize India's manufacturing sector. It covers the small, medium and the large industries and boosting the vision of Make in India. Let's see the overview of National Manufacturing Mission. This mission actually aims to provide support in different fields, like first in the policy area, that is policy support. Second is about the execution roadmap. Third is about the governance framework. This is for both center ministries and the state. But what makes this mission so special? Actually, it focuses on 5 key areas that will shape the future of manufacturing in India. The first focus area is ease and the cost of doing business. This mission actually emphasizes on streamlining the processes and reducing the expenses for the businesses. It will be done by cutting the bureaucratic hurdles and creating a more favorable regulatory environment. India actually aims to attract both domestic and the foreign investments. The second focus area is future ready workforce for in-demand jobs. This actually means developing a skilled workforce that is equipped for the tomorrow's economy. This actually means investing in education and training that aligns with the industrial needs and ensuring the workers are ready for the jobs of the future. The third focus area is a vibrant and the dynamic MSME sector. MSME stands here for micro, small and medium enterprises. That is the backbone of the India's economy. This mission actually focuses on empowering MSME through the access to the finance and mentorship programs and also giving them the market opportunities. This will foster their growth and improve innovation in this sector. The fourth focus area is availability of technology. Actually, the access to the advanced technology is crucial for boosting productivity. This mission actually promotes initiatives that helps the businesses to adopt new technologies, driving innovation and also operational efficiency. The fifth focus area is about the quality products. Actually, in this mission, it aims to elevate the product quality across the industries. It will be done by implementing rigorous quality control measures and encouraging the best practices. India will deliver high quality products and meet the global standards. But that's not all. The National Manufacturing Mission also supports clean tech manufacturing. It actually aims to improve the domestic value addition and build the ecosystem for solar photovoltaic cells, electric vehicle batteries, wind turbines and more. This is also a strategic move to counter the China's dominance in the clean technology space. As we all know, China controls 80% of the world's battery manufacturing capacity and produces 80% of the main components used in the solar cells. The Finance Minister also highlighted measures for labor-intensive sectors. The government will undertake specific policies and facilitation measures to promote employment and entrepreneurship opportunities in these sectors. This will definitely ensure the inclusive growth. Looking into the economic implications of the mission, this mission announcement comes at the crucial time when actually India aims to increase the share of manufacturing in its GDP from current 17% to 25%. While the economic survey also mentions the manufacturing growth is steadily recovering, it still remains slightly below its pre-pandemic trajectory. This mission is a game changer to accelerate that growth. So here we can say that the National Manufacturing Mission is set to transform India's manufacturing landscape. It will also boost clean technology and will create millions of jobs. It is the bold step towards making India a global manufacturing hub.